What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kiri runar kibam itu dur satya kilawan thang penjulor ya kawai ke yang trap jong uma brolding Dakar, haki jaka pentor hasnong lapangam jong ka West Giant Hills District. Katay ka jingja ka baningkong hadin ship house ngi jong ka jinga kan ad ka bajur hapadeng kinong shong shnong lapangam bat kinong shong shnong takpan. Kinong shong shnong lapangam kila dukha mensiam namar ka jingbam yo lat satya jongki ban ot ka ba haduk menta menne nakadaw jong katay ka jinga kan ad.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.